Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse. Today we're checking out the Friis coffee bean storage canisters. Friis canisters keep your coffee sealed away from light, air and moisture that works towards breaking down the original freshness of your roasted coffee, yet still allowing for that natural CO2 of the beans to escape the containers so your coffee rests and it's at its peak when you're ready to enjoy it. The Friis comes in a 16-ounce size, which holds approximately 750 grams of beans or ground coffee. And there are three styles to choose from. You have your black, red, and brushed silver. If you're wanting to shop either of these Friis, you can head up to the product page in this link up above. The containers are made from stainless steel, which does resist staining on the inside and odor retention. The other materials used being BPA-free plastics in the lid and the seal. The lid contains the Friis freshness valve, which is a one-way valve that vents away trapped CO2 gases whilst preventing fresh air and moisture from getting in. Now, Friis recommend changing out these valves every 2 months, and thankfully they include a full 12 months replacement seals with every Friis purchased. And they also have a handy bean scoop, which will measure out 8 grams of beans. You can find a further 1 year supply of these seals in this product link up above. There is included a rotating wheel on the top of the lid you can set as a reminder date to replace your valve. Although it's not an automatic reminder and you can't set it to the month, it still acts as a timely reminder to replace your valves to ensure a functioning seal. The pull latch on the lid does always establish a good solid seal, but I would occasionally wipe the seals down on the lid to avoid any buildup and hand wash the inside of the container to keep it sparkling clean. Now, to replace the Friis freshness valve, simply push the valve from the inside of the lid until the date wheel and the valve pop out from the top of the lid, and then seat the new seal in place with the date wheel on top, press it back together, and you're done for another 2 months. Friis coffee storage canisters are reusable, they're refillable, and they're simple yet an ideal solution for storing ground coffee as well as whole beans and any perishable goods really, locking in the freshness so you enjoy the very best of your coffee. So if you have any questions on the Friis containers, throw them in the comment section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.